Hi, let's discuss next previous question of regular language TOC. This question was asked in GATE CS 2020. It was question number 51 and it is a 2-mark question. Let's read the question. Consider the following language. L equal to X belongs to A, B whole clean closure. Number of A's in X is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. The minimum number of state in DFA that accept L is dash. It is asking what will be minimum number of state for designing DFA. The language is intersection of two language. First is number of A divisible by 2, then second is number of A not divisible by 3. So let's divide into two parts. So first language, number of A in X is divisible by 2. Number of A or length divisible by 2, we require two state. I already discussed how to design DFA for this. It requires two state. Which string it will accept? It will accept epsilon. Number of A is 0, 0 is divisible by 2. It will accept B clean closure. Number of A is 0. Then A, then A, B, here 2A is present, B, 2A is present, 2 is divisible by 2. Then A, B, here 4A is present, A is divisible by 2. So number of A should be divisible by 2, but number of B can be any number. For number of B, there is no restriction. Only restriction is for number of A. Language 2, it will be number of A in X not divisible by 3. This will require 3 state. So number of A will be 1, number of A will be 2, then it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 7, but it will be not 0, it will be not 3, it will be not 6 like this. So which string it will accept? It will accept BA, number of A is 1, then ABB, number of A is 1, ABA, number of A is 2, then AABB, number of A is 4. Number of A cannot be 3, but number of A can be 4. Then B, like this. So here number of A is 5. Now intersection of two languages will require 2 multiplied by 3, it will be 6 state. I already discussed if this type of language, then their intersection or their union will be just multiplication of both state. Like for this we require 2 state, for this we require 3 state. You just simply multiply, you will get the answer. So answer will be 6. So this is just one way. This is just a shortcut. If you know, you can just simply multiply and you can find. If you don't know, let's design the DFA. So let me design first DFA for the first language. Number of A divisible by 2. It requires 2 state. From state 1 by A, it goes to state 2. And from state 2 by A, it goes to state 1. So this is just the frame. Now it will accept 0A, then 1, 2A, 3, 4A like this. And B can be any number, so just make a self loop of B in both the state. Now this is the DFA for number of A divisible by 2 and it can be designed in 2 state. Let's design number of A not divisible by 3. If you can directly design not divisible by 3, it's okay. If you cannot design directly for not divisible by 3, just first design divisible by 3, then complement it. Let me first design number of A divisible by 3. It will require 3 state and from state 3 by A it goes to 4. Then from state 4 by A it goes to state 5. Then from state 5 by A it goes to state 3. So now it will be 0, 1, 2, 3A, then 4, 5, 6A like this. And number of B can be any number, so just make a self loop of B in all these steps. Now this is the DFA for divisible by 3. But what it is asking not divisible by 3. Just complement it. So 3 will be non-final, 4 will be final and 5 will be final state. And transaction will be same as before. So now this is the DFA for number of A is not divisible by 3. It will accept 1A, then it will accept 2A, but it will not accept 3A. Then it will accept 4A, 5A, it will not accept 6A like this. Now you need to find intersection of L1, this is our L1 and this is our L2. Here there are 2 states, here there are 3 states. So total we require 6 state. What will be initial state? Initial state will be 1, 3. This is a intersection. In case of intersection, both final state will be final state. So here final state will be 1, 4 and 1, 5. If it will be union, then the state which contain either 1 or 4 or 5, that will be final state. In case of union, 1, 3 will be also final state. But in case of intersection, just 1, 4, 1, 5 will be final state. Now from 1, 3 by A where it goes, from 1 by A it goes to state 2, from 3 by A it goes to state 4. So from 1, 3 by A it goes to state 2, 4 and it is a non-final state. Then by B where it goes, from 1 by B it goes to state 1, from 3 by B it goes to state 3. So just make a self loop of B. Now we'll do for state 2 and 4. From state 2 by A it goes to state 1 and from state 4 by A it goes to state 5. So by A it goes to state 1, 5. Now by B, from state 2 by B it is a self loop. From state 4 by B it is a self loop. So just make a self loop for B. So state 1, 5 it is a final state as it contains 1 and 5 both are final. In case of intersection, if both are final, then it will be final state. Now we'll do for state 1, 5. From state 1 by A it goes to state 2. From 5 by A it goes to state 3. So from 1, 5 by A it goes to state 2, 3. And by B, from 1 by B it goes to self loop. And from 5 by B it is a self loop. So from 1, 5 by B it will be self loop. Now we'll do for state 2 and 3. From state 2 by A it goes to state 1. From state 3 by A it goes to state 4. So from state 2, 3 by A it goes to state 1, 4. And 1, 4 will be final state as it contains both 1 and 4 both are final state. Now from state 2, 3 by B, from state 2 by B it goes to state 2. From state 3 by B it goes to state 3. So by B it will be self loop. Next do for state 1, 4. From state 1 by A it goes to state 2. From state 4 by A it goes to state 5. So it will go to state 2, 5. Now by B it will be self loop. As from state 1 and state 4 by B there is self loop. Next do for state 2 and 5. From state 2 by 8 goes to state 1. From state 5 by 8 goes to state 3. So from state 2, 5 by 8 goes to state 1, 3. Then by B, here it is a self loop, here it is a self loop. So just make a self loop. Now this is the DFA for number of A divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. It requires 6 states. Let me take one string and check whether it is accepting or not. So here A, B, A, B, A. Here number of A is 4. Number of A is 4 means it is divisible by 2. Just check from state 1, 3 by A it goes to state 2, 4. Then by A it goes to state 1, 5. Then by B it will be a self loop. Then by A it goes to state 2, 3. Then by B it will be a self loop. Then by A it goes to state 1, 4 and it is a final state. So it will accept. Let's check one string which is not accept. Now check here, there are 3A, so it's not accept. Now just run. So from state 1, 3 by A it goes to state 2, 4. Then by B it will be self loop. Then by A it goes to state 1, 5. Then by another A it goes to state 2, 3. And it is not final state. So this string will not accept because number of A is divisible by 3. The DFA requires 6 states for designing number of a divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. Answer is 6. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.